Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love that fresh from the dentist feeling of really clean teeth, then you're going to love this TORPYU water flosser and electric toothbrush combo. This is an all-in-one unit. You have your electric toothbrush as well as your water flosser. It's easy to charge the toothbrush by placing it in the little charging dock on the base. You'll want to make sure to remove it once it's fully charged and not store it there to preserve the life of the battery. A single charge can last up to 21 days. When you turn it on, you'll see that there are several different settings, and this is what it sounds like when it's turned on. It's not very loud. So you're able to get a super customized teeth cleaning. I have found this toothbrush does an amazing job at cleaning my teeth. They feel incredible. It feels literally like I just got out of the dentist chair. It is amazing. The water flosser portion is the icing on the cake with 10 different settings ranging from 30 to 125 PSI. You can again really customize this to your needs. It also comes with 7 different water flossing tips. The lid of the water tank actually doubles as a storage case, so that is where you will store all of your water flosser tips, which is awesome. There's suction cups on the bottom, so that is just a really thoughtful detail, and it helps to keep your whole unit on the counter and not move around or slide, so it is really well designed. So both the water flosser and the toothbrush are absolutely amazing. I'm super happy with them as independent products, but together they are an absolute powerhouse at keeping your teeth super clean. This product is both well designed and super effective, and I am confident that it is doing wonders for my oral health, and that is my point of view.